This ruling on Prop 8 comes a year after the same court ruled that same-sex marriage was legal. There are some 18,000 same-sex couples in the state that are currently married, but today the court could also rule that those marriages are now invalid. Joining me now on the phone from Los Angeles, Robin Tyler and Diana Olson. They were the first same-sex couple to be married in Southern California last year after the Supreme Court made same-sex marriage legal. We welcome you both. Robin, I'll start with you. Today's LA Times reporting in an article that I'm sure you saw, and it's something that we've heard a lot. They're saying the case for overturning the initiative is widely viewed as a long shot. Are you optimistic?
Well, truthfully, I think they'll uphold our marriages, but if they uphold Prop 8, it'll be the first time in American history that they've taken a group out of a constitution. And so if they uphold Prop 8, it'll be a tremendous loss for the gay community because that means that 50% plus one person in California can overturn any rights for any minority. And we're very nervous about it. It looks like that's possibly what'll happen, but I don't want to, say anything. We are nervous, and we've had to go online twice a week now for the past 3 months to see whether we have a marriage and whether our friends that are here with us, Kathy and Cherie, can get married. And so it's just, it's just a horrible thing, and I'm hoping for the Supreme Court's legacy, that they do the right thing.
Diane, if you do retain your marriages, but the California Supreme Court upholds Prop 8, is this ultimately a loss for you?
It's a huge loss, not for us, but for the state of California. Extremely reactionary thing to do, and it's never been done in American history, taking people out of a constitution. My partner and I were not only the first ones married in California. My wife, that's right. My wife and I were not only the first ones married in Los Angeles, but we also were the first plaintiffs to file the lawsuit, and we're standing here with our attorney, Gloria Allred, who's literally standing here and holding our hands. She is. We're so nervous. This isn't like a press. She is.
I understand. Robin, there have been compromises suggested, the usage across the board of civil unions as opposed to marriage. Where do you stand on that? Is that acceptable?
Unions are not acceptable. It's like saying when they had separate water fountains for African Americans, saying, well, it's the same water, you're right next to each other. It really was to try to diminish the place of African Americans, to give them equality in our society. Domestic partnership means that they want to give us something different, so somehow we won't taste the water fountain of marriage. Separate has never been equal. It's not just about the fiduciary rights. It's about the fact that our love is worth no less than anybody else's. Deserve marriage and will settle for nothing less.
We don't have civil unions in California. We do have domestic partnerships. And in the original Supreme Court decision, which we won last year on behalf of Robin and Diane and Reverend Troy Perry and his spouse, Philip DeBleek, the court clearly said that even if gay and lesbian partners had all the same rights, domestic partnerships, as they would in marriage, it is still not enough to have domestic partnerships, which is a form of second-class citizenship.
And that, for our viewers just joining us, that is the voice of Gloria Allred, the attorney for Robin Tyler and Diane Olson. I got the picture there. I know you guys are there holding hands, essentially, waiting nervously for this decision. It will come down in about 11 minutes. It will also be online. We will bring it to you when it happens. Thank you for talking to us, and we hope to check in with you later to get your reaction.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.